Hey everyone, welcome to the YakChat channel. Today we're going to show you how to add the YakChat app to your Webex side panel in just a few simple steps. First, open Webex and look at the left side panel. Click on the three dots to open the Options menu. From there, select App Hub. In the App Hub, go to the search bar and type YakChat. When you see YakChat in the results, click on it. Now select Add App and then click Open from Side Panel. This will ensure YakChat is easily accessible whenever you need it. You should now see the YakChat logo in your Webex side panel. Click on it to launch the YakChat app. Finally, sign into your YakChat account and you're ready to start messaging. It's that simple. And that's it! You've successfully added YakChat to your Webex side panel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more YakChat tips. See you in the next video.